What's up guys, welcome back to One Life. You join me today for another tutorial on another car. We've got behind me a 2002 Mark II Vauxhall Corsa, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the handbrake. Now it's a fairly new car to the channel, so if you've got any video ideas or anything you do want to see, let us know in the comments below and I'll do my best to get them done. Other than that guys, let's crack on because I'm getting a bit wet. Right people, join me now inside the Corsa. Quick look around inside because it's a new car. Dead basic setup, it's quite a basic one. But we've got a tape player. Remember those people? So, to your handbrake. As you can see here, you got your handbrake with a little sort of little fake leather, it might be real leather gate around it. And to simple it, want you sit your hand down the front of it here and pinch it like that. Just pinch anywhere if it's not on tight. If it shouldn't be tight at all really, and it will just pop up like that, and you can pull it back and out the way. It won't come all the way off. Oh yeah, it'll even come all the way off. If you want it fully off out the way, you can just slide it straight over the edge of the handbrake, revealing a lot of metal, and you'll see straight away a big bolt sticking up. And that is simply your adjuster with a 10mm nut on the end of it. So you're going to get either a spanner to get the side of it or a very long socket. It'd be easier just to use a spanner and tighten it to tighten the handbrake, so clockwise to tighten it, anti-clockwise to loosen it. So if your handbrake's coming really high up when you pull it up, or you have to really yank it all the way to make it tight, you want to tighten it a bit, and that'll bring the handbrake back down a bit, make it a bit tighter, and vice versa. So if it's a bit too tight and too snappy, you can loosen it off a bit if you really wanted to. This is an important one because it will fail your MOT. If they test it and it feels a bit slack and the MOT tester pulls it right up here, they're going to fail you. So if you think it feels a bit loose, and especially if you've got an MOT coming, whip this cover off, get your 10mm spanner out, nip it up a bit, and it could save you failing an MOT and having to come back and retest it. So it's quite an important thing really, and it's a very simple job. That's about it for this first video on the Corsa. I'm going to be doing plenty more on this car, so if you've got any requests, anything you want to see, let me know and I'll get them done. Try and cover all the major subjects and topics on this car over the next few weeks. So guys, we're back inside the Corsa to outro this video. I don't know if you can hear the rain on the roof, it's ridiculous. Bit of a wet day for making videos. So that's it, that's how to adjust your handbrake on the Vauxhall Corsa Mark II, otherwise known as the Corsa C. This is a 2002 model if I've not already mentioned it. Dead easy job, dead straightforward, it only requires one tool, and that's a 10mm spanner. And it will literally stop you from having an MOT fail. If your handbrake's slack and it feels a bit loose, it will fail on the MOT, so check it out and get it done. You can do it anywhere, at your friend's house, on your drive, at the side of the road, in the car park at work. It's an easy job, and I encourage you guys to give it a try. Even if you have no mechanical knowledge and you've never worked on a car before, go for it. If you want to see any more videos on this car, please let me know in the comments below. I've covered a lot on the Fiat Punto Grande. There's still videos to come on that for those of you waiting on requests, but I am going to slowly sort of shift to this car and others to come over the next few weeks and sort of. But other than that guys, that's about it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a little like, and if you're interested in this sort of thing or you might find it useful, hit that subscribe button, so notification bell on. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.